Hello everyone, we are almost at the end of this course, but before ending this up, I want to give you a clear roadmap. Now you know exactly how to create a great profile on X, you know how to reply to create lasting connections, and you also know how to write tweets that have the potential to be viral. And now I'm gonna give you a clear roadmap to actually get those 1,000 followers in less than 30 days. The first thing you're gonna do is of course create your profile page as I've shown you in this course if it's not already done, and then you're gonna start the reply game. Here the goal will be to reach about 300 followers in less than 2 weeks. And since your post won't have a lot of reach from the start, you will have to reply to other people's tweets as I explained to you. You're gonna do at least 50 replies a day and even more if you can. And of course, I mean quality replies, not just yeah, that's cool. It's gonna take a bit of time, but it's absolutely necessary for you to grow. If you do that correctly, you should be able to get between 10 and 30 followers every day. And in the meantime, even if your content doesn't perform well, you still want to publish a few tweets every day. The reason is simple. You want the people who follow you to know who you are and to have some content to interact with if they come to your page. At the same time, if you publish regularly, you will be better at writing your tweets when you will eventually get traction. Now, once you'll have those 300 followers, you will start to write your own posts. You're gonna mix all the types of posts like I've shown you in one of the previous videos, and among those tweets, you're gonna include some connection tweets. I recommend you not to make too much of those because your audience will get bored if it's the only type of content that you share, but still write enough so you can grow your followers. I think 2 per week is a good amount if you mix them with other types of content. Now what's gonna happen is those tweets should bring you at least 50 followers every day. And I say at least because the most followers I got from this tweet is 250 in one single day. I cannot guarantee you that you will get the same amount of followers in one single day, but if you follow this method, you will definitely get really good results.